In this video, I'll show you how to delete videos that are in your Facebook history. So the first step is to go on the top right corner, right here where this triangle is, and click on it. You'll have this drop-down menu. You need to select Settings and Privacy. Then you need to select Activity Log. Great. On your left side, you'll have another menu. You need to go down and select right here, Logged Actions and Other Activity, the last one. Go down, and finally we have Videos You've Watched. You click on it. And now you'll have all the videos that you watched, all the history is there. To delete all of it, you just need to click Clear Video Watch History. But if you only want to delete one of them or just a few, click these three dots on the right side and click Delete. It will delete it. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and give us a like if this video helped you.